Hello guys, welcome to SportTube. Guys, today in this video we are going to learn how to set up a favicon in your WordPress site. Favicon is very important part of your site to identify your site to multiple platform. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notification for the upcoming latest updates. So how to set up a favicon? We have a two multiple option. First one, go to the customize by clicking here, and the second option is go to the appearance, and into the appearance we have a customize. So just click on it. Into the customize we have a site identity. Click to site identity. Into the site identity, last option is sites icon. We want to select a site icon by clicking here. Here you can select a logo of your website by clicking here. Make sure you have a logo 520 by 520 pixels, and after make sure you have a original logo. Click to select option by clicking here, and here you can see we have upload successfully my site icon. And now go to publish, go back and check, and this is my website, and we have a old favicon original logo of WordPress. So I want to refresh my site. Just click to refresh, and after refresh, as you can see, we have original logo of my website. So this is the way how to set up a favicon in WordPress sites. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon with all notifications for the upcoming latest updates. Thanks for watching.